So we've already talked about probability, probability being equal to the number of outcomes in an event divided by the number of outcomes in the sample space. Relative frequency is related to probability, but they're two different things. Relative frequency is the fraction of times an event actually occurs in real-life data collection. Now we've already talked about if you flip a coin, the probability of getting a tail is 1 out of 2. And that's the case because when you flip a coin, there's two events in the sample space. And of these two different events, one of them involves getting a tail. There's one outcome in the sample space that involves getting a tail. So that's where the 1 out of 2 comes from. However, we know that if you flip a coin twice, it is possible to get no tails. If this actually occurred, we would say the relative frequency of tails flipped is 0 out of 2. Usually relative frequency is approximately equal to the corresponding probability. So a lot of times if you flip a coin twice, you would get 1 out of 2 to match this probability, but it's not always the case. So relative frequency is what happens in real life data collection. Sometimes it's different from what we see from the probability.